What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we talk about the fourth stimulus check update, daily news reports, what's going on in the world, what's going on in the United States, what's going on with the $3.5 trillion stimulus check package. But I wanted to do a little bonus video for you guys here. As you guys may or may not know, my wife and I have been an entrepreneur actually for over 20 years. If you may or may not know, I'm actually 40 years old. I know I look younger than I appear, but I'm actually 40 years old, and I've been a full-time entrepreneur for 20 years. Yeah. And one of our businesses that me and my wife run is we sell products on Amazon. Sell products on Amazon, and we actually teach people how to sell products on Amazon. And I know as an entrepreneur, it can be difficult to get a new business started and get a new business off the ground. And I know with how the world is right now that a lot of people are looking to start their own business, start a side hustle and get a side income going. And I want to kind of make this bonus video for you guys on how you can do that, a little bit of information on how you can sell on Amazon and how you can source products from Alibaba.com, which actually can source products from all across the world. You can source products from Alibaba.com from thousands of manufacturers and sell products on Amazon.com. See, when you're first starting out, it can be very hard to find manufacturers and to find products to sell on Amazon. Alibaba.com actually makes it very easy for you to do. And I'll actually show you some examples on how you can find a manufacturer on Alibaba.com and how you can sell a product that you can find on Alibaba.com and how you can sell it on Amazon.com and how you can make a side income, create your own little side business, and how you can private label it, basically put your own company name on a product like that. Just kind of give you a little overview on how you can do that in just a few minutes. Kind of a little bonus video for you guys on how you could do something like that. Okay, so let me give you an example on how you could do something like this. You buy a product from Alibaba.com where they have thousands of manufacturers from all over the world already making products you want to sell, literally millions of products that you want to sell, any type of product. I'm just going to give you an example and how you can sell this on Amazon and basically make a side income or create a side business. Here we go. Okay, we're on Amazon.com, and the example product we're going to use is a beeswax candle. It's a nice little niche product. It's not a regular candle, it's a beeswax candle, okay? It's a nice little niche product, okay? When you go on Amazon and you type in a beeswax candle, you can see that these products are selling for $17, $35, $35, $27, just for these top four results. You can say the next four results are $35, $26, $17, and $14 just for these little tea lights. So these are premium candles, okay? People that buy these type of beeswax candles are willing to pay more because they're premium candles. They're made out of beeswax, okay? They're not your everyday, just cheap, 50-cent candles, okay? These are really, really nice beeswax candles. This is just one example of the thousands of or millions of different type of products you could sell. This is our example for this particular product, okay? So you can sell these products for $20, $30. I mean, these four examples here are $27 to $35, okay? Yeah, $27 to $35 here. When we go over to Alibaba.com, literally just type in Alibaba.com, type in beeswax candles, you're going to see that you can buy this example here, 50 cents per piece, okay? We're going to just scroll down here, $1 per piece. We're going to just keep scrolling here, 60 cents per piece, okay? Just going to keep scrolling here. Okay, so here's a really nice piece, a nice big thick piece here. I'll zoom in here a little bit. $3 a piece for a nice big thick one here. And when we look here, here's a really nice big thick one also here selling for $27. Okay, I might be in the way there a little bit. $27. Here's another nice big thick one here selling for $17. Okay, This is a nice big thick one here. I'll open this up in a new window. Okay, so here's the product on Amazon selling for $26.99, $27 basically on Amazon. And on Alibaba.com, you can buy it for $1 to $2 a piece. Okay, so you can buy this for $1 to $2 a piece, and you can sell them for $26.99 a piece on Amazon. Okay, now you're going to have a little bit of shipping and handling. You're going to have some Amazon fees on there in addition, and I teach how to do that in some of my other videos on my Amazon, how to sell on Amazon series on my channel. But you get the idea of how you can buy products on Alibaba.com. And you can see here, when you look on Alibaba.com, they have manufacturers, literally thousands of manufacturers from all over the world that are already making these products. They're already making these products, and you can see here, you can just literally scroll through here. These are companies that are already making these products, dozens and hundreds and thousands of manufacturers with just all sorts of nice little designs and all sorts of colors and strategies and literally every sort of type of product you could imagine. And it's not just beeswax candle. You could type in a hoverboard and you could find hoverboards for sale. You could type in a Bluetooth headphone and you could create your own Bluetooth headphone line and put your own label on there. You could call it Jimmy's Bluetooth Headphone Company, and that's what you would do for the Beeswax Candle Company. You can see here, like this company has Alternative Imagination Pure Beeswax Candle Company. Okay, they just put their own company name on there, and they call their company name whatever they want to. And it's called private labeling. Okay, you could do the same thing with Bluetooth headphones. You could do the same thing with any particular product that you want. And that is a quick rundown, a quick overview on how you can buy products from Alibaba.com, sell them on Amazon. Of course, you have to learn how to sell on Amazon. You have to ship them to an Amazon warehouse and stuff like that. You have to learn how to become a seller. But literally, you can create a side business, a side income by buying products off Alibaba.com and selling them on Amazon.com. So I wanted to create this little side video for you, this bonus video for you guys, and let me know your thoughts. So I'll put some links down below in the description of this video to Alibaba.com. You can check out their website. Alibaba offers trade assurance and much, much more so that you're protected when you buy from them. So you have what they call trade assurance so that if anything goes wrong when you place an order with them, Alibaba, the company, will actually protect your order and everything like that so that your transaction is safe and secure. And actually, the month of September is a special month where you can get deals and sales just in time for the holiday shopping season, which, if you know anything about holiday shopping, that is where the vast majority of sales happen for Christmas time shopping. That's business. Spend less, sell more with Alibaba.com and the Super September event. So check out Alibaba.com today and don't miss out on their Super September shopping. I'll put links down below in the description of this video. Let me know your thoughts. I'll have more stimulus check update videos for you guys in tomorrow. You can click this top video here to watch my newest video next. And this video is my series about how to sell on Amazon with more videos. If you want to check out more videos on how to do this and learn more about how to do this. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks, guys, and I will see you in the next video.